Welcome everyone, welcome to our channel Incorporates Guide. I am Rudra. I am working as a SME on Postgres. So let's start. So today we will learn how to create table and how to insert data in Postgres. First of all, go to search bar and type pgadmin4. Now wait few minutes, it take some time. Now go to this services options. Now you can see this pop up. You put the password if you want, so you can save the password, otherwise you click the OK. Now you can see the database options. You right click over the database and then create a database. Now put the database name like school and save. Now you can see the database is created. So now you go to this schemas options and split it. Now find the tables options like this options. Now right click over the table, then create, then table. Now you put the table name like student table. Now go to this columns options. Now go to this plus icon and put the column name like ID. Now choose the data type integer. Integer means whole number. Now this. Now enable the not null and primary key options. Then again press this plus. Now the second column name like name and choose the data type, that is like that is character bearing. Now fix the length like 50, then enable the not null option. Now again press this option and the another column, that is address. Now put the data type, that is again character bearing. Now put the length, that is 50, and enable the not null option, then save. Now you can see the table is created. Now go to this table and right click over the table options. Now this script and insert script. Now you put the value like first one is ID, that is 1, second is name like Ram and and third is address like Pune. Pune. Now first is done, first value is done. Now second value like comma, then moon bracket, and within this moon bracket we follow the same rule like 2, then Shamrat, then Shamrat and Barashat. Now go to this run option. Now you can see it's successful. Now again right click on the student table and go to this view and edit data option. Now and then all rows. Now you can see the all data is here, whatever we put in few minutes ago. So that's the way we create table and put the value. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.